How to transfer conversations from one ChatGPT account to another account. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile phone as well. So what you need to do is first go and log in to the ChatGPT account that contains your conversations. You can then click on your profile icon and press Settings. Now from the left-hand side, click on Data Controls, and then next to Export Data, press Export and press Confirm Export. Now you may need to enter a verification code in order to receive this email. Once you've entered the verification code, press Export again and press Confirm Export. Now you should get this message that says successfully requested your data export. So you're now going to receive an email with all of your exported chats. Now it actually took me a couple of days to get my exported file, but once your export's ready, you'll be emailed with a download link. So once you've downloaded your exported data, you should have a JSON file like this. You'll then need to head back over to ChatGPT and you'll need to go and sign in to your second account. Now go and find the downloaded folder and you need to find this file, which is the JSON file. Now once you've found this, you can simply go and drag it over to ChatGPT and this should go and pull up all of your conversations.